This is the first of a two-part video blog on embellishing fabric with the border function. Today I want to show you how to use the border feature to create your own unique fabric. We will use some of the 2,500 bonus designs that came with the Luminaire machine to create our fabric. There are some smaller designs that I love because they allow me to use my imagination and create directly on the machine. I have saved all the bonus designs to a USB device and have inserted it into the top USB machine port. So let's get started by touching embroidery. Touch the memory pocket. Touch the USB icon. Touch the folder where the designs are saved. If you want to see more of the folders and designs at one time, touch the up arrow on the right side of the screen. To collapse it, press the down arrow. I like to see more of the designs and folders at one time, so I have pressed the up arrow. Scroll through and touch a design folder. I have selected flowers and plants for the first piece of fabric. Scroll through the designs and select a flower that you would like to use. I used FWP 043. Touch the design and then touch Set. Move the design to the top left corner of the design screen. I want to copy the design and mirror it. To do this, touch Edit. Touch the Copy button to create a copy. Move the copy to the right and down. Press the Mirror button. Move the mirrored design into an appealing location. Touch the first design. I want to create rows of the design. To do this, touch the Border button. The border function lets you create duplicates of the design vertically and horizontally and will evenly space the duplicates. Touch the Add Bottom button to add designs on the vertical plane. I added 5 designs. This isn't a rule for how many designs you can repeat. I wanted space so that the second column will fit in between. To space the designs further apart, touch the Increase Spacing button until the design touches the bottom of the design space. Touch the second flower design. Add one less to this column with the Add to Bottom button. For this design, you will want a total of 5 designs on the second column. Press the Increase Spacing button to separate the designs. You want them in between the first column designs. Select the first column of designs. You can touch the column or press the Select arrow to select the column. Touch the horizontal Repeat button. Touch Add to the right 3 times so you have a total of 4 columns across. Press the Separate Designs button until it beeps. The beep indicates it can't spread any further. Use the Select arrow at the bottom of the window to select the mirrored column of designs. If you need to move the column, press the appropriate arrow. You want the column to be in the middle of the first 2 non-mirrored columns. Press Add to the right twice for a total of 3 columns. Press the Increase Spacing button until the rows are in between the first set of borders. Press OK. Press Memory to save the design to use later. Choose the machine to save to the machine's memory pocket. If you want to embroider now instead of later, press Embroidery. Press the Home button. Press OK to clear the screen. The design will be in the machine's memory if you followed the save steps. Now let's create our second fabric. Press Embroidery. Press the memory pocket. Press USB. Select the folder with the bonus designs. Select Decor. Scroll through and find a decor you would like to use and then press Set. I selected DCP-007. Move the design to the top left of the design window. Press Add. Press the memory pocket. Press USB. Select the folder with the bonus designs. Select Decor. Scroll through and find a design you would like to use. Touch it and then press Set. I used DCP-087. It is a single colored butterfly. Move the design slightly below and to the right of the first design. Touch the first design. Press Edit and then press the border button. Press the Add Below button 8 times to add designs. You want a total of 9 designs on the column. Press the Separate Designs button until the designs no longer separate. Touch the second design. Press the Add Below button 7 times for a total of 8 butterflies. Press the Separate Designs button until the designs spread out in between the first column of designs. If you add too much space, you can press the Decrease Space button. You can fine-tune the pattern offset from the first column with the arrow buttons. Select the first column of designs. Touch the horizontal repeat button. Press the Add to the Right button 4 times for a total of 5 columns. Press the Separate button until the designs touch the edge of the window. The machine will beep. Select the second pattern with the Select arrow. Press the Add to the Right button 3 times. Press the Separate Designs button until the designs are in between the other columns. Fine-tune the spacing and location and then press OK. Press Embroidery. Notice how the colors have been sorted. If you wanted to embroider the colors, you can get started. I wanted to do something slightly different. Press Layout. Press the Single Color button. This tells the machine that the designs are a single color and it doesn't need to stop for a color change. Press Layout to return to the embroidery screen. Notice, even though the design window shows multiple colors, the color window is gray for all the thread changes. Press Memory and then Machine. If you retrieve the design from the memory, you will have to set single color again.